So, hey everybody, this is me Raman Karthik. Welcome to my channel. So, Bulgarian blind Abavanga, who predicted 9/11 attacks and had also made some predictions for the upcoming year 2021. According to the blind Baba, the world will face cataclysm, um, disasters in 2021, and a strong dragon will seize humanity. For the uninitiated, Baba Vanga's real name was Vangelia Gusterova. She was nicknamed as Nostradamus of Balkans for making bizarre claims. Baba Vanga, who lost her vision at the age of 12 during the massive storm, had claimed that she was given a very rare gift from God to see into the future. Her claims about the dissolution of the Soviet Union, the death of Princess Diana, and Chernobyl disaster have all become true. She was believed to have got 85% of her predictions right. Strangely, Baba Vanga, a blind psychic who died in 1996 at the age of 85, has rightly predicted the September 11 terror attack and Brexit. Now her predictions for the year 2021 has have been revealed. The world will suffer from a lot of cataclysms and great disasters. The consciousness of the people will change. Difficult times will come. People will be divided by their faith. We are witnessing devastating events that will change the fate and destiny of the humanity, she had claimed. The Nostradamus of Balkans had also predicted that 2021 will be a cure for the cancer is found. The day will come when cancer will get tied with iron chains, Baba Vanga had claimed. So let's go to the main topic, that is Trump will get mysterious disease and assassination attempt on Putin. The Bulgarian mystic has also prophesied that US President Trump will apparently suffer from a mysterious disease. She had claimed that the 45th president of United States will get infected with a mysterious disease that will leave him deaf and cause brain trauma. Baba Vanga had also claimed that Europe's economy will fall. An assassination attempt will be carried out against Russian President Vladimir Putin by someone within his own country, and Islamic terrorists will will stage an attack in Europe. She had predicted doom for Trump and Putin in 2019 and 20. However, both of them have survived, although Trump contracted coronavirus in October this year and an attempt to assassinate Putin was stopped in 2012. Baba Vanga also said that the extremists will use an arsenal of weapons against Europeans. The deceased prediction maker had also added the petrol production will stop and the earth will rest and the trains will fly by using sunlight and dragon will rise. Baba Vanga predicts rise of China. One of the most bizarre prediction by Baba Vanga for the year 2021 is the dragon will take over the planet. A strong dragon will seize humanity. The three giants will unite. Some people will have red money. I see the numbers 100, 5, and many zeros. Some people believe that the dragon Baba Vanga referred to is China. The three giants may be Russia, India, and China. They interpret that the money could be yuan or ruble notes, which are red in color. She had also predicted an end to world hunger by 2028, mass colonies acquiring nuclear weapons by 20 2256, and the earth will become uninhabitable by 2341. Her prophecies run until the year 5079 when she said the world will come to an end. However, only time will tell whether Baba Vanga has predicted right or not. It is also interesting to see how many of these prophecies of Baba Vanga will turn out to be true. So, with this, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on that bell icon to get more updates. And moreover, this may be true, may not be true. We don't know how it is going to be. Thank you for watching.